everyone, this is Amy with Amy McKeon Art. Today I'm going to be doing another cloud pour using those neon paints that look great under a black light, and also my little special sauce in there of the Amsterdam Glow Medium, which means that this paint will not only look great under black light, but it'll also just glow in the dark. So I'm going to start layering my cup, and we're using Liquitex basic paints. That was the fluorescent orange, and this is the fluorescent pink. This is my cloud mix going in, made with the Vallejo Pearl Iridescent pouring medium. This is going to be Liquitex Basics Neon Yellow, or Fluorescent Yellow as they call it. This is the fluorescent green. And going back in with my Vallejo cloud mix. As always, my recipes will be in my description box. And that is going to be the Liquitex Basics Fluorescent Blue. I am doing an 18-inch round today, so this is a good size, and I'm going to try to layer my cup up full because I want to make sure that I have enough paint to cover the entire canvas. And now we're about to pour. I always take a minute to pause, hold my breath, unfortunately, and then I go for it. And I'm just going to do a wandering straight pour here. And I am going to move my spinner just a little bit, and I do apologize for my camera. It is just having a little bit of trouble focusing in this darkness that I'm painting in with the black light. And my son said that he wanted something for his room, but he wanted it a little different than what I usually do. He said he wanted it kind of cool and crazy and not pretty like the other ones that I do. So as I'm pouring here, I am moving in a wandering circle pattern and moving my wrist back and forth to get that kind of chaotic look. I'm just spinning my canvas out here to stretch my design and so that there is enough paint off the canvas so it will dry nicely. Tilting a little bit to try to get my center back where I'd like it, somewhat close to center. And amazingly enough, we are almost done here. Here is a still shot of it under the black light. And here is a picture of the dried results in daylight. I think my son is going to be pleased with this one. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day, everyone.